Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala berngam baka nom ailat ya ka jingkhang lat jong ki katto ka ne ki Trai Jaka Kiba penslam ya ka Shna ya ka Western Bypass Road. U Deputy CM uba Preston Tensong ulaong baka jing ya ka ja bunsin ki jumi wat hadin bala depsiu ya ka bai Jingthut ksan. Ha ka baki nong dawa thamai pat ki dangmi. Kadba ya ki jingdawa en sa pendap en seu tang endala penbet ya ka jinglong trai bala IT ya ka jinglong trai ya ka Jaka. Uba Preston Tensong ulaong baka Sarkar kalada ban shimti ban IT syaka NHIDCL Henry kidon ki kenhun ki bathau ya ki jinge ki bathamai. Ula batha ya ki DC ban ailat ya ki ain ban shim yala ka jong kalenti ban yada don kam ban jingyada ban pentikana baka jingshna ka bala thumu na ka banta ka jungmentoi ki paitba om ban sha pensenge hakikato ka ne ki riushimet ki badan ya ki jungmentoi shimet.
That NHIDCL has flagged issues of land acquisition. Though land acquisition has been acquired, but they are yet to be handed over the position. So what is the government?
See, time and again we used to have a review meeting in my level as well as in the level of the Chief Secretary about the possession of this Western bypass. Yes, I would like to inform all of you that few stretches we have challenges, no doubt with it. Some of them sometimes after payment made by the district collector. Again, the other so-called landowner, they claim, these kind of things are there. But as per law, let me tell you, as per law, we will process those grievances, those petitions made by everybody. Doing that, we have already made it very, very clearly. See, as long as your ownership issue is not resolved, payment will not be made. And number two, possession of land has to be done. So right now, let me tell you, I think in fact, possession of land has been taken over. And we have also handed over to the NHIDCL. However, fiscally, when the work started, some group of people, they trying to create problem. But let me tell you one thing, I've instructed the DC, both the DC, be it Ribohoi district, be it in the East Khasil district, let the law take its own course. If you need security, we will give you security, and don't allow this drama to continue to happen. Because ultimately, this project is meant for the public at large. It is not meant only for few landowners who have got maybe the personal interest.